Keep doing this. And on top, please write in big, bold, beautiful letter, lines. We're going to be talking about lines, the definitions on lines. Okay? And the first thing we're going to talk about, the difference between a line segment, a line, and a ray. You know the difference between them? When I tell you to draw a line, and this will be important because things will get marked wrong if you tell me something's a line and it's not a segment. Anybody know the difference between a line and a line segment? Okay?
A line has no beginning and no end, and a line segment.
Very good. So jot down here. A line, children, the exact definition of a line, and math people are pretty exact. A line has to have arrows on both ends. It has no beginning, no end. Okay, it goes on forever. You can never draw the start or the end of it because it goes on forever. A line segment, or just a segment, you can call it either one. A line segment has a beginning and has an end. Now sometimes you don't have to have a dot, but sometimes people will put little end pieces like that on it. Sometimes they'll put little dots on it. Your ruler is a good example of line segments because they got all these little pieces on here. When we measure, we're measuring line segments there. And then if you put both of these together and you have something that doesn't have a beginning or has a beginning but no end, that is a, yeah, that's a ray. Usually it has a little dot like this. It's a ray. A ray has a beginning but no end. That is a ray. So you've got a line, a segment, and a ray. Now with that, we've got some other definitions here. We've got lines that go like this as opposed to lines that go straight up and down as opposed to lines that are on some sort of an angle. The ones that are straight like this parallel to the ground, we call those, these are horizontal lines. Think about the word horizon. When you look at the horizon, you kind of look out, you don't really look up. It's a horizontal line. Lines that go straight up are
Vertical.
vertical.
Mr. Adams, you have something? Nothing better than this?
Oh, not. Where are you at and why do you have that?
Mr. Adams wanted me to put this all the way on here, but it won't budge.
I don't think I do.
Okay.
I'll take it
I
right
can look
now.
later. Me here? At home I probably do, but not here. If it goes straight up and down, it is a vertical line. Up and down. Up and down. And then one that's on an angle, it's one we don't talk about very often. For those of you that are looking in the math book, yes, it is an oblique line. Obliquity. It's an oblique line. It's on an angle. Not an angel, it's on an angle. So, be very careful, people. If you are asked to draw a line, it must have arrows on the end of it. If I ask on a quiz for you to draw a line and you do that, it will be wrong, because that's a line segment. This has a beginning and it has an end. It needs to have an arrow shooting off in both directions. If you're asked to draw an oblique line, you have to draw it with arrows on it. So anytime you see that word mine, you must have arrows on it. If you're asked to draw an oblique ray, it's got to have a beginning point and it's got to have an arrow on it. You don't necessarily need the dot there, but it's kind of helpful if you do. Got that? And then one more piece of paper.